Let me adjust the position of it. Press A so I can snap. Press A so I can snap to this value. Is it 10 percentage? So when I move, oh sorry, it's 5. This is the one, 5 degree. So I will reach perfect 90 degree. Okay. Auto saving. Okay, so if I go to my camera view and then adjust it, bring this up, then bring it forward, something like this. Let me select this curtain box. Let's adjust. So this group I don't need, can delete. So I can focus on one side only. Let's go to my front view and let's try to identify what is happening. The first thing that I need to do is delete. Open the group and I can delete these. They are not visible. I don't want to show it. That's the reason we have this box. Fine. What I need to do is, let me delete these two. So I have only one and one. Fine. We move this in place and then push this back a bit. Fine. So if I exit, if you notice, sorry, camera view, I need to bring this down. So the way I can do it, the easiest way is just to scale it, you know. Something like this. Okay, and then let me select the flooring and then check from the front view. Yeah, this much is okay enough. Fine. So I have my curtain. I can duplicate this on the other side. Something like this. Right, instance maybe. Fine, so I have my curtain, armchair. What else is remaining? I need to bring in some of the wall feature here. So import merge. This is the one. Open, apply to all, auto rename. Where is it? Okay. Alright. So let me select the wall and isolate. So going back to my plan view, I can just easily position it, rotate it 90 and then just push it. So in my perspective, press P. So you can just push this back a bit. Okay. So from my camera view, I can position it, exit the isolation. So something like this, center to the bed. And if you want, I can increase the size just a little bit. Something like this. Okay. And let me check what is happening here. So this ribbon, let me give some thickness to it. Shell. Let's reduce the value. So let's say I'll give a small value about 0.04 and I can apply mesh smooth and then increase the value. Okay, So I can copy mesh smooth, control click shell, and then right click copy. And let me see if I need to do the same thing over here. So right click, paste. Yes, same thing here. Okay, right click, paste. Fine. And then this one I can just give a different color, so I can easily tweak it. Fine. Exit. Now what else is remaining? I need to bring in, rather actually create the artwork for this column here. Okay, so let me select this, and then let's go to the side view, and let's create a rectangle for the frame, something like this. Okay, 101 and 70, just to make it a round figure, and press Alt A and click this so that I can make it center to the object. So I need the x-axis. Okay, pivot or center, both are doing the same thing at the moment. So click OK. So now what I need to do is just attach it, snap it, and then give an extrude value of -4, -3. Fine. So I have to repeat the same process to get the frame out of it. So apply edit poly, select the polygon, delete, select the polygon, delete, and then I can apply the shell modifier and adjust the values. Okay, right click, control right click, select rectangle, and then snap is enabled, so just click and drag. That's it. So this is going to be my placeholder for the actual art. Okay, apply extrude, reduce the value, something like this. Yeah, and for this one I can just add some detail. For example, let's apply a chamfer modifier. There you go. So we can adjust the value, reduce the amount, and then we can just increase just a little bit, let's say 0.25. Okay, so we can adjust the let's group this, select the frame and the art, control G to group. Okay, exit the isolation, and let's adjust. This is already in center and the height looks just about fine. What else is remaining? I think then we can start applying the finishes. Okay, then let's begin.